Well, thanks for joining me again, guys. I'm heading to
Las Vegas!
Yes, welcome to Las Vegas. This aerial footage is actually from a helicopter tour flying down the Las Vegas Strip. And here are my sweet, lovable, and yet silly cousins who have never encountered a drone up close. From left to right, here are my cousins, Cindy, Gina Lynn, and Bernie. Many thanks to Cindy and her husband Mansour for welcoming us into their beautiful home at Lake Las Vegas. Here's a quick drone shot of the north end of Lake Las Vegas. It's a man-made lake in the city of Henderson, just southeast of Las Vegas. Lake Las Vegas is a 320-acre reservoir with 3,600 acres of development surrounding the lake. Looking south towards the bridge is the Village Lake Las Vegas, which has a slew of shopping options, even a grocery store, and water sport activities on the lake, including paddleboarding. Let's head back. We're planning to do some hiking at a popular public art attraction in the Nevada desert. Wow! Welcome to the Seven Magic Mountains, a large-scale desert art installation produced by the Nevada Museum of Art. I was surprised to read on their website that this is only a 5-year exhibition, and 2021 is the last chance to see this unique outdoor attraction before it's relocated. This amazing exposition is located right off of Interstate 15, near the Jean Dry Lake bed. It's a must-see. Now for the main event. Welcome to the RiSE Lantern Festival 2021. This annual event is held on the Jean Dry Lake Bed in the Mojave Desert, 25 miles south of Las Vegas, off of Interstate 15. The Jean Dry Lake Bed, at its widest point, is 2 miles wide. Enjoy the remainder of this video as me and my cousins bond and decorate our lanterns in the name of our loved ones that we've lost. It was truly amazing to share this spectacular moment with my cousins and about 1,000 other people who needed closure or to celebrate someone special. Thanks for joining me again, guys. Until next time.